Choosing the right hosting plan is a crucial step in building your website. If you've decided on HostGator but are unsure whether to go with Business Plan or Baby Plan, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the key differences between these two shared hosting plans, compare their features, performance, and value, and help you decide which one best fit your needs. Stick around for a detailed review, and by the end, you'll know exactly which HostGator plan is perfect for your website. Now, before we get started, the links for the mentioned tools and softwares are in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Let's dive right in. And so, first things first, let's go ahead and find out the overview of Baby Plan and Business Plan. Now for the Baby Plan, it is the HostGator's mid-tier share hosting option, ideal for growing websites that need more than the basic hatchling plan. Meanwhile, the Business Plan is the top-tier shared hosting plan designed for users who want more advanced feature and additional tools for scaling their website. And so let's break down the differences in more detail. So in here, I am inside the HostGator web hosting plans. Now, both plans include many similar features, but the business plan comes with some extras, but of course, it is going to cost you some extra money. Now for the HostGator Baby Plan, it has unlimited website storage and bandwidth. You have free SSL certificate for making sure that you have a secure website. You also have the standard cPanel for easy website management. And lastly, you have one-click installations for WordPress and other apps. You can just navigate through the official website of HostGator to go ahead and look at all of the plans right here. Now for HostGator's business plan, it includes everything in the Baby Plan. You also have free dedicated IP address, which is useful for e-commerce site or business that requires secure payment processing. You have free positive SSL certificate, which adds trust and enhances security. And lastly, you have access to free SEO tools to help you improve your search engine rankings. And so with the free SEO tools, you will be able to use this in order to optimize when someone searches your product. So let's go ahead and say that your website is all about computers. By using the SEO tools, you will be able to rank higher when someone searches for computers on Google. The business plan includes additional features aimed at businesses such as dedicated IP and SEO tools, which are not part of the Baby Plan. And so performance is crucial for any website. So let's compare the speed and reliability of these two plans. For Baby Plan, it shares server resource with other users, so speed may vary depending on the server load. It is suitable for personal blogs, small businesses, or low to moderate traffic website. And for Business Plan, it still shares server resource but prioritizes higher performance with features like dedicated IP, and it is better suited for high traffic websites or online stores requiring faster loading times and a more stable connection. And so for standard websites, the Baby Plan performs well. However, the Business Plan is better optimized for speed and reliability, especially for growing businesses. And so before we proceed, what I love about HostGator is that they include cPanel for both of their business and hatchling plan. cPanel is an intuitive design where it is very easy to manage and basically change all the settings for your website. You can just go ahead and navigate through cPanel, and from here, we have every access to our website like email, domain, files, and everything. So if you want to go ahead and change some aspect to your website, you can just go ahead and choose one of these options, and from there, you can go ahead and totally edit it the way you want to. And so, both plans comes with solid security features, but the business plan goes up a step further. Now for Baby Plan, once again, they offer free basic SSL certificate for website encryption, and you have the standard server security and DDoS protection. Now for the business plan, you have the free positive SSL certificate, which provides better validation and a site seal to build customer trust. You have the dedicated IP, it adds another layer of security and prevents your site from being affected by others on the same server. Now, if security is your top priority, especially for e-commerce or sensitive data, the business plan is the better choice. Now, let's talk about pricing because budget is always a factor. Now for Baby Plan, it will start at $350 a month, and you will go ahead and renew it at $16.49 a month. Now, the renewal rates are higher but still affordable for most users. You also have great for personal and small businesses website. Now, for business plan, it starts at $525 a month and it renews at $21 or $22 a month. Renewal rates are higher than the baby plan, but it includes extra features like dedicated IP and advanced SSL. It is designed for users with higher needs such as an online store or high traffic website. For budget conscious users, the baby plan is more cost effective, but the business plan offers better value for businesses needing advanced feature. And so, which plan is best for your needs? You want to choose baby plan if you're building a personal blog, small business website, or portfolio. Your site has low to medium traffic and doesn't require advanced feature. And lastly, if you're on a tight budget and just need reliable hosting. You want to go ahead and choose business plan if you're running an online store or a high traffic website, or you need a dedicated IP for secure transactions or better email delivery. Or lastly, if you want an additional SEO tool and enhanced SSL security to boost your website's credibility. Now, the key takeaway is that if you're starting a small or testing the waters, the baby plan is a solid choice. But if you're serious about scaling or running a professional site, the business plan is worth the upgrade. Now, both plans comes with the HostGator 24/7 customer support via live chat, phone, email, and the baby plan users receive standard support, which is more than enough for general issues. Now, for the business plan, the users benefit from priority support and faster resolution times for complex issues. Now, both plans offer excellent support, but the business plan has the edge with quicker response time. Now, which plan is the right for you? If you're a beginner, blogger, or small business owner, the baby plan is a fantastic option with all essential features you need. But if you're scaling your business, running an e-commerce store, and need more advanced features like dedicated IP and premium SSL, the business plan is the way to go. Both plans are great, but the choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and goals. Now, that's it for our detailed comparison with the HostGator's baby plan versus business plan. Which plan are you leaning towards into? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more hosting tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.